Alright guys, so today we're gonna finish up our weekend repairs and swap out our gears from our spare parts set 1248 and throw in our bearings in there. So hopefully this isn't too bad. I think they just untwist, if I'm not mistaken. Not sure, never done one of these, so learning. Well, I'll figure out how to get it apart and then we'll get it put back together. Just replacing that, and then we'll do the front end real quick, get these bearings set, lickety split. Then we'll get it back together for Lauren so she can get running again. Alright, be right back. Alright, we got it apart. Turns out that there's a set pin with a 1.5 in there. Yeah. So, and we're going to be replacing these. I think it's one, because we're using a new one. We'll put this in here. And then I'll swap the balls out. And there's one in here, so. Well, there isn't one on the other side, which I thought was strange, but I don't know the theories behind any of this, so. But, so there you go. There's that, and I'll take the balls, transfer them, put a little grease on there, and probably poke them all out. And we'll get this back together, lickety split. Also, I put a new spur on there. I gotta find the bolt and the washer. I lost it somewhere in the transition. So what I'll do for these, get them set. It was pretty smooth, but I want it smoother, so I want this the best it could be. So I think this will be our best track car for a while. Plus, because we're going brushed, we'll get the performance increase out of the mechanics. I'll be right back and we'll get it buttoned right up. So you see in here there's a set pin, and you just hold the other side and hinker on it with the hex key. It's pretty simple. Sometimes I need a little grease to hold them in place. I'll monkey with this, get it buttoned up, and then we'll work on the front. Alright, so now let's get on that front end and put this beveled gear. So that was the OneWay. It's all done. It's all set. I just got to get some spacers for the dog bones, but it's smooth. I can't wait to get it out on the track. So I kind of cheat a little bit with the front ends. What I'll do is I'll just connect the two sides and just flop it. It's a trick that I've been doing for WLs and LCs for a year now, and I kind of just, some of the TAMIYAs can do it, some of them cannot. All depends on how the bulkhead works. So another thing I noticed is the WL kind of took the design style from the rear end of this to take out that OneWay. That's how you get access to diffs in their 110, which is like the X-ray. So it's kind of interesting to see the, you know, the morph of the technology along the way, because this is all new to me, but I know a lot of these are like old. You know, like you're talking old tech. So whenever I see those similarities, it's like, oh, that's that same design with their own little spin on it. So just take this off. It should flop with any luck. Now don't forget to put your center drive in when you button this back up. So I'll probably just do the fast forward mode again. Hopefully everybody had a great weekend so far. We got a new baby in the family, so we've had a crazy weekend. Relatives up for graduations and all that. All kinds of good times. So see what I mean about flopping that over. So I hope this is probably like the other one where you take the centers out and there's a hex head in there. Again, I didn't build this, so this is all new to me. And there's tons of padding. Look at the amount of padding in there to get that tight. So I'm gonna have to adjust all that. I'll do it off screen before I'll monkey around with it on the track and whatnot. Looks like we got some damage on this one. I'm not gonna buy new though. Wait till it goes. This one's got O-rings in it too. There's like 4 O-rings in there. There's 2 more. You do what you gotta do. I like the way that whoever had this just dealt with it and worked with it. I'll leave you on for a minute. Actually, I'll be right back in case I fast forward. Oh guys, so my battery died on the phone, so I have no idea where I left off until I go to edit it. So I come back, I got everything buttoned up. It's real nice. There's some play here I gotta work on, and the front dog bones have some play, so I'll work on that. But I want to get out for a test run first. It's pretty solid, so maybe later today we'll get a test run out. But that's all we got for this part. I might do another repair and throw it at the end of this, but probably not. Been real busy. We got, like I said, we got a new baby in the family. We're building decks. We got family up for graduations. There's a little everything going on today. So hope you guys like and subscribe, and you had a great weekend, and have a great 4th of July. And for our Canadian buddies, happy Liberty Day or Victory Day. Well, what do you guys call it? It's your Independence Day, I guess, right? Even though you're still a monarchy. Anyways, I'll see you when I see you guys. Don't take me serious. I'm just messing. Anyways, looking forward to getting this on the track. We got lots of stuff coming down the pipe. Started putting together our... this is what might make it on there, but probably not. It's got a lot of stuff going on today. This is going to be our... This was the parts car for our Terror Scorcher build. It's the 2-shock version of the man, I always forget the name of that thing. And as soon as I see it, I'm like, oh yeah, duh. Thunder Shot. That's it. So this is going to be my terror shot is what I'll call it. Terror shot. So, but this will be a track car. It'll be fun to run. So, anyways, like and subscribe. Check out Winter's Evening, our sponsors. Couldn't do it without them, and URGENEX. And yeah, summer weather's coming, so people are going to start getting goofy. Stay safe out there. I'll see you when I see you. Peace.